Hello my dear KVishan family. My name is Dev and today I will explain you the revised business plan of KVishan. There is two parts in the business plan. One is joining plan or binary plan and the another one is repurchase plan. I will try my best to explain you in depth. But one thing is for sure, after the entire video, you are bound to say, wow, what a plan. So let's start with the binary plan first. There will be specific three packages in the plan. The base plan is 1800 rupees where you can have product worth 2649. Company will provide you CV point 20 and reward point 1. The next package is 2000 rupees where you can have product worth 4025 with CV point 20 and reward point 1. The third and final package is 3700 rupees where you can have products worth 5197 with CV 40 points and reward point 2. All the package you have to purchase once in a lifetime to get the benefit, and you will have only one time top up option in lifetime. The process is very simple. First, you have to activate your ID with any of the three packages. Second, make your team active in 1:2 or 2:1 formation. That's it. Next day onwards, your daily will pour in. Every 20 CV matching, you can earn 200 rupees, and every 40 CV matching, you can earn 400 rupees daily. Management has decided to make a daily capping also. In 1800 and 2000 rupees pack, there will be fixed daily capping of 2200. You can enjoy 2200 rupees daily capping, and finally in 3700 rupees package you can enjoy daily capping of 8000 rupees, that is 2,40,000 rupees you can earn in a month. Hope this part excited you most. My dear friends, this is just a beginning. Let's talk about the reward point and its reward which are waiting for you. In first 15 reward point matching, you will get a mixer grinder of or rupees 2000 rupees cash. You will be promoted as executive. Likewise, for next and fresh 50 reward point matching, you will get a smartphone or rupees 10,000 cash award and promoted as a bronze rank. Likewise, for next fresh 150 reward point matching, Dubai trip or 40,000 rupees cash and rank will be promoted as silver. Fresh and next 500 matching two-wheeler or 1 lakh rupees cash, rank will be pearl. Next and fresh 1000 BV matching Alto car or cash award 3.5 lakhs, rank will be emerald. Fresh and next 2500 points matching in first purchase gold or 5 lakh rupees, rank will be gold. Next 5000 points matching sedan car or 7 lakh rupees cash and rank will be platinum. Next 10,000 points matching SUV car or 12 lakhs, rank will be diamond. 20,000 next points Mercedes or 25 lakhs, rank will be blue diamond. Likewise 50,000 matching flat or 50 lakhs cash award, rank will be royal diamond. 1 lakh points matching bungalow or 1 crore rupees cash award and rank will be promoted as crown diamond. The last point is 3 lakhs point matching in joining pack helicopter or 2.5 crores and rank will be Kohinoor. This is the last rank, helicopter or 2.5 crores cash award in matching of 3 lakhs fresh joining, 3 lakh points. Don't you think this is amazing? Moreover, in this incentive, no time barrier is there. That means all rewards are achievable for dedicated and motivated KVishan members. My dear friends, time has come to explain you the repurchase plan to you all. The first part of repurchase plan is rank differential income, which is absolutely accumulation basis and no time bar is there. The motto of this part is to promote newcomers to become directors soon. As you know, all the distributors are getting 5% on their own self-business volume on repurchase every month. The moment a distributor will achieve 5000 BV matching from his team, left and right, he will be promoted as executive and enjoy 8% on his team business. Likewise, on 12,000 BV matching, he or she will be promoted as deputy manager and get 11% gap commission. 30,000 BV matching, rank will be manager and percentage will be 14. 75,000 BV matching, rank will be deputy director and the gap commission will be 17%. And the last part, 1,50,000 BV matching, rank will be director and percentage will be 20. According to your junior's rank, you can enjoy the gap commission and being promoted. We need to promote everybody to become director soon, because after become director, he or she will be eligible for spill to expand their business. Ladies and gentlemen, time has come to explain you the most attractive points of repurchase income. In next few minutes, I will discuss the most attractive parts of KV Ishan business plan. Just tighten your seatbelt. Director level income. Once you will become director, the wonder world of KV Ishan will be opened for you. Just need to create more directors in your left or right wing. Your first level directors means in any leg below you, you will get 2% of his total BV, that is left or right both. The speciality of this income is even in your single leg, if you are making directors below you will enjoy 2% of his total BV, that is repurchase volume. Likewise, second level directors volume, you will get 2%. Third level directors volume, you will get 1%. Fourth, fifth, sixth, every level you will get their total left and right BV matching 1%. Seventh rank to 10th level directors, every level 0.5% each on their total BV you will get. That is total 10% on your total 10th level directors compressed business you will enjoy. But to get this excellent income, all directors need to prove themselves by doing 25,000 BV matching every month. Let's talk about the unlimited club funds. As you all know that our distributors are our assets, and KV Ishan management is ready to share the unlimited earning for them for their truly financial freedom. Management is distributing total 48% of its total BV turnover here. The moment a distributor will achieve 5,000 BV matching, he will be eligible to get 10% of company's BV turnover in a particular month, and that too equally shared. Suppose company's turnover is in August is 5 crore BV, 10% of 5 crores is 50 lakhs, and only 2,500 people successfully matched 5,000 BV both sides. That means 50 lakhs will be divided by 2,500, that is 2,000 rupees each. Every member will earn. This is named as leadership fund, and 10% is allotted in this fund. Likewise, 10,000 BV match leadership bonus fund, 6% will be distributed equally to all the members who are achieving 10,000 BV left and right on repurchase. On 20,000 BV matching, travel fund will be distributed 5% equally to all achievers of company's total monthly BV turnover. On 50,000 BV matching, car fund will be distributed 5% equally to all achievers on that particular month, depending on the company's total repurchased BV turnover. My dear friends, these funds are open for all, no condition, no hidden points. We are KV Ishan and we are transparent to our families. Let's talk about Chairman Club Fund. To earn this income, one should achieve once in a lifetime 2.5 lakhs BV matching. Thereafter, whenever he or she will do 60,000 BV matching, will get 7% on monthly company's BV turnover on ratio system. Now, what is ratio system? I will explain you soon. Likewise, house fund. One time you have to do 3.5 lakhs BV matching, and thereafter 75,000 to be matched monthly to get 4% on company's monthly BV turnover on ratio system. Ratio system means company will provide you payment on micro calculation basis or point basis, and you will enjoy even the smallest part of your volume business. Next is President Club Fund, one time you have to do 6 lakhs BV matching, and next time onwards just 1 lakh BV matching, you will get 3% of company's turnover on ratio basis. Let me explain. The Royalty Club Fund, one time a person need to achieve 15 lakhs BV matching in particular 1 month. Next time onwards, whenever he will achieve just 1.5 lakhs BV matching left and right both, he will get Royalty Club Fund of 2% on ratio basis. My dear friends, up to this level, KV Ishan has distributed maximum to all members. Now the time has come to talk about the leaders, the pride of KV Ishan family. Star Chairman Club Fund. 2% of company's annual BV turnover will be distributed to those leaders equally who will achieve 25 lakhs BV in a year. That means a person in throughout 12 months in a particular financial year, if he is achieving 25 lakhs BV both side, company will share at the end of the financial year 2% of his entire yearly turnover equally to each of them. This is a very high income, my dear friends. Let's talk about Star Chairman Club Fund 2. 1% of company's annual BV turnover will be distributed to those leaders who will achieve 50 lakhs BV matching in a year. This payment will be done in ratio system, not equal distribution basis. Golden Director Fund. 3% of company's monthly repurchase BV turnover will be distributed to those directors who will create 4 legs, in which 3 legs will do 50,000 BV left and right both, and the 4th leg minimum 10,000 BV in a month. Those director who wants to become active every month, if they maintain these 4 legs, 50,000 BV matching in 3 different legs and 4th one 10,000 BV matching, they will be eligible to get this Golden Director Fund, that is 3% of entire company's monthly repurchase plan. This will also be a very high income, my dear friends. Let's talk about the ratio system, because most of the time we talked about the ratio system. The time has come. It's a pure micro calculation system where average of your both side business volume will be divided by total turnover and generate the point value. This point value will be multiplied by your total average both side business. My dear friends, it's not yet finished. Company has incentivized monthly repurchase business by giving extra payments to the members. 25,000 BV matching any person is achieving, he will get extra a mobile or 2,000 rupees cash. 50,000 BV matching in a month, he will or she will get a smartphone or extra 5,000 rupees cash award on and above all the points I explained. 1 lakh BV matching, extra refrigerator as a reward or 12,000 rupees cash. 2 lakhs BV matching, laptop or cash award 25,000. 3 lakhs BV matching, Thailand tour or 33,000 rupees cash award. 6 lakhs BV matching, a bike or 66,000 rupees cash. 12 lakhs rupees BV matching, foreign tour or 1.2 lakhs. Likewise, it's going up to 2 crore monthly BV matching, my dear friends. That means company over and above all the payment is paying 8% to 12% extra on BV matching to all the leaders who are active month after month. My dear friends, this is the revised business plan of KV Ishan Marketing Corporation. Hope you have understood properly. For further queries, kindly talk to your sponsor or any top senior. Wish you a very happy and healthy career with KV Ishan.